This is the apocalypse. Oh, shit. They creep me out. You just see a face. Up against the glass. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god!
Oh wait. Shit! Our tree!
You're...
Our tree!
Oh!
Dang!
It hit your car! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It hit my car!
Oh, the car! I got that all on film!
Oh.
I got that all on film!
Oh my god!
What happened? The car got crushed!
Oh my
Ooh.
gosh!
Film
Look at
trees,
there.
it's yours.
Look at trees. Oh my gosh!
Oh, your back got it. All thanks to the tree.
Oh.
You're lucky, Aaron. Your
I
car,
called it. That stump is staying there.
your car bounced though. Your car
The
freaking.
back is completely destroyed, John. What back? The
back
back
of
of
your
your
car. At least it's not the whole. Her car just got crushed. Let's get away from
Oh
the
shit!
window.
There's a fire.
There's a fire, Dad. There's a fire at the end of the
What the fuck is he gonna?
Oh my god.
There ain't nothing I can do about that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay, get away from the trees.
I got that all on film, you guys.